My name is Idris Temir and today we have another camera gear unboxing video. Once again, here we have the Peak Design capture clip. To begin, here's the front of the box that has the product photo. I have the clip-only version. On the right side, we can see one small arrow as a guide to open the box. At the back, we can see some features such as the size of the clip and its weight capacity. On the left side, you have the usual Peak Design certifications, and at the top, you can see another logo, product text, and a small square for the color. Lastly, at the bottom, we have both a barcode and a QR code. Going back to the front, you may have noticed a cut mark. This was a custom sting when they opened my package, as I've said on my previous Packing Cubes video. Now let's proceed and open this box using our small cutter. Just slicing through this one tape. Oh, and when opening this flap, we can see another capture clip photo. Here is our first look at the Peak Design capture clip. If you have the other version, I assume that the standard plate would just sit in the middle. Let's take it out, and I could tell the solid build quality here. This button is for the quick release feature, and these are the two standard bolts. We'll put the capture clip on the side for now to check the rest of the box. Here's a white container that has a hole in the middle. We also got a gray microfiber pouch that has other small items. Inside, we have this small brown packet. These are the hex bolts in case you will install the capture clip on a thicker strap. Next, we have a hex wrench tool that is attached to a small visual guide. Lastly, we have this small card. Some information with regards to lifetime warranty and the serial number at the back. We have one more card inside the box. The front tells about other accessories across Peak Design ecosystem. At the back of this card, we have the capture clip and its parts. And on the inside, we can see the instructions on how to install the product. Feel free to pause the video and read the details. Now, as we always do, let's tidy up and put everything back on the box. Gonna move this box at the corner here. Once more, here is a closer look at the Peak Design capture clip. Again, the standard bolts that you can also adjust with your thumb. We can also tell that this thing can fit in the palm of your hand. That's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. and I'll see you on the next one.